Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher CCCU Assembly. It's for year one and year two, the amazing pupils of Grange in year one and year two. And we know what we are about at Grange. We have such a great caring attitude. We're always trying our best. We're always learning, even from our mistakes. We're always going for improvement and progress. We use everything we learn to help us to make good choices, and we never give up. We are CC learners. And that's what we say at Grange. We have the CC way because we have confidence for ourselves. We believe in ourselves. Actually, you can put your hand on your heart. You can sit up straight and give yourself a confidence boost. Doesn't matter what others are saying about you. Believe in yourself and you do your best and be good. And consideration for our beautiful planet and everybody around us and in the world. And our pupils of hope, our people of hope, well, all the new children who keep arriving at Grange, and all the Grange children who welcome the new children, make them feel safe and happy, and all our children who do CC walking and CC salutes. I am so proud of you. You get a wiggle. And our character strength focus, what we are talking about today, is keeping yourself when you feel worried, when you feel I'm not so safe. What can you do? You can keep yourself safe with your superpower. And that's where we can pause the video over here. Adults, you can pause the video over here and have some discussion time. You could take a big piece of paper, post-it notes if children want to write on them, or you could even write what children say. But the thing is, we know that if you are worried, if you don't feel safe, if you feel so worried, everything is too much for you, we know that if you sit down and talk to a trusted adult, they can help you to feel safe. They can help you to be safe. But this is the thing to discuss. Who is a trusted adult? And what is a trusted adult so that you can talk to them and feel safe? So, trusted adults are the adults who really care about you, who really love you, who really want the best for you. And that's parents and that's carers. And you should think in Grange, think about the adults who work with you every day, the teachers, the educators, all the adults who work here at Grange. All these adults who work with you every day, they really care about you. And I love working with them because I know how much they care about you. They are trusted adults. Your teacher, your educator, those are trusted adults. So if you don't feel safe or you feel things are too much for me, you say, teacher, educator, you can call them by their name. Please, could I talk to you a little bit? And you can say, I don't feel safe, or I'm so worried. I need to feel safe. And if you do that, well, we will sort things out at Grange. Because what happens when you tell a trusted adult at Grange that you're not feeling so safe, or you're feeling a little bit worried, they're never going to keep a secret. What they're going to do is talk to the other adults in our building so we can work together to make sure that we solve the problem and help you to feel better. We might not, nobody has magic, but we have our care and our skills and our adult ability to help to sort out problems. Sometimes we'll just listen to what you're saying, and just sometimes, when people really listen to you, already you feel better and you feel, okay, actually, I can manage. Sometimes we'll maybe ask you some questions, and that will help you to think of ways that we can be safe. And sometimes we'll give you advice, or sometimes we'll go and get other adults who specialize in advice to keep children safe. So all the adults at Grange, they are trusted adults, but especially the adults who work with you, the teacher and the educator, those adults, because my job at Grange is to make sure that all the adults know. Our first job at Grange is to make sure all the children are safe and feel safe. And then our very important next job is that all the children learn and make progress. And our third most important job is that all the children succeed and grow up brilliantly and keep developing. So these are some Grange thoughts. We're all connected because we live in the same world. And actually, what's amazing is we're all connected because we're all part of Grange. So I might be the head teacher of Grange, you might be a pupil at Grange, or maybe you're a parent at Grange or a carer at Grange, but we're all part of Grange. So we're all connected. So there's no such thing as this is your problem and not my problem, or this is my problem, not your problem. We're all connected. So we all help each other through kindness to sort things out. So your problem is my problem. And sometimes the thing is, if we take on too many problems, then we start feeling worried and not safe. But what I can do, if I've got I've got my own trusted adults that I can talk to and make sure that I'm safe. So the thing is, and all the adults in Grange, they have other trusted adults that they also can help them to feel safe. So children, you never need to worry, because any of you, your problems are our problems, definitely my problem as head teacher. So this is what we're saying in the CC way. It's saying, I see you for who you are and I appreciate all of you, even your problems. And I see me for who I am and appreciate all of me, even my problems. Problems are not, and problems are not bad things. They help us to grow. And with character strength and confidence, we can overcome them. But sometimes if you're not feeling safe, you talk to a trusted adult to help you. And here is a poster so you can see these adults are the adults whose job it is to make sure that every child feels safe in Grange. And every adult, if they know there's an issue with safety, or if there's an issue with somebody not feeling safe, they know, let's sort it out. So if I start on the left-hand side, remember, I'm looking at you. So, but if I turn around, can you see this is my left hand, the one with the L. Can you see it? Sorry, there we go. That's my left hand. So on the left, Miss Raza. So Miss Raza, she is, well, you'll see the words designated safeguarding lead there, DSL. She's a deputy DSL. Her job is everybody okay? Has anybody said somebody's not feeling safe? Make sure she will go and find out a bit more, make sure, what do we need to do? Does she need to talk to me? Does she need to talk to the person next to me? You can see there, that's Miss Waite. And Miss Waite, also her job is, are all the children safe? Is everybody got what they need? Is everybody managing to cope with their feelings? And if they're not feeling safe, all of us, we've got ways to listen, especially to you, to help you to feel safe. And we know adults that we can talk to, and we know ways that we can talk and sort things so that you can feel safe. And you see Miss Atkinson right on the right-hand side, that's our chair of governors. And her job is always to say to me, Mr. Kerbal, are the children at Grange feeling safe? Are they safe? Is everything going okay? And she'll speak to Miss Waite and she'll speak to Miss Raza. And Miss Waite, you can see designated safeguarding lead, DSL. Also her job is any of the adults in Grange, if a child tells them they're not feeling safe, they'll make sure that we know so that we can support the adult and we can support the child and everybody feels safe. But children, if you're worried and you don't feel you can talk to anybody, you see these 4 people on the posters over here. Miss Atkinson isn't in our school, but we can always get hold of her. But the 3 of us, me, Mr. Kerbal, Miss Waite, and Miss Raza, we're all there. If you really, really need to talk and you're not feeling safe, you just say to, if you can, you talk to your teacher, to your educator. If you can't, if you don't feel you can talk to your teacher or educator because it's all just too much, then you just say, please teacher, please educator, please can I get to Mr. Kerbal or Miss Waite or Miss Raza so I can talk to them as a trusted adult to help me to feel safe. Okay, not everybody's a trusted adult. These trusted adults are adults that really care about you and look after you. So you know who those are. That is your teacher, that is your educator, that is your parents and your carers. Thank you. Right, now we always say at Grange, kindness is strength, and looking after people and sharing problems and making sure that people feel safe, that's kindness. So kindness is strength, and if you want to design a poster to show us that kindness is strength, remember to put your name on the poster and send it to me, and I would love to see that poster. So our stars of the week are Abigail N, and Kaja, and Daris, and Enya, and Wadia, and Kayana, and Ali, and Esanula, and Saria, and Daisy. How brilliant are all of you? Well done. Class top champions, Sarah G and Rumi, KJ and Rumi, Abigail N and Rumi, Larian in Malala, Daisy in Malala, Izan in John Lennon, and Ubaid in John Lennon, and Enya in John Lennon, and Saria in Malala. Well done, class champions. And India, 1, Issam in Greta Thunberg, Ali in Greta Thunberg, Houston in Greta Thunberg, Yusuf A in Alan Turing, Kavish in Alan Turing, and Ashwin in Alan Turing. Well done. Here are the positive CC points. Look at that. Massive number. 20,517 CC power. Brilliant. So with the classy classes, Rumi class, give yourselves a pat on the back. I haven't seen you in classy class for a while. Well done to you. Over 1,000 points. Greta Thunberg class, you got 1,038 points, even more. But the classy class of the week is Malala class with 1,105. So well done, Malala class. And I still have to come to you because we set a big target and we are well on our way to getting our target because we're so powerful, we're kind. At Grange, we are loved. We are Grange and we're going to make it. So there's Rudolph. He's coming for Christmas. We're going to see real reindeers at Grange. And Malala class, I know I need to come to you to give you your special prize for being classiest class of last week. I'm going to put my hand on my heart for a CC salute. Everybody put your hand on your heart. Give yourself a confidence boost. Look at our beautiful planet. Circle your hand and say, I'm going to contribute towards this beautiful planet and all of humanity and all the wonderful things in the planet. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration and enjoy the learning ahead and be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other and achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be